on the Upper East Side that experimented on black women, and the Thomas Jefferson statue removed from the city council chambers. Now, one of the city's most revered museums reviewing what the public will see.
I think that they should commend the museum for broadening its perspective on how it owns exhibits.
Some museum goers today had heard about the plan to reconsider exhibits.
That's a heavy
That's
question.
nasty. Who does that?
I think they should be culturally sensitive to what they're, whose bones they were putting out and whose body parts.
We should be thinking about the cultural sensitivity of how the bones got there in the first place.
They cannot do that.
So here's what happens next. The museum president is promising to brief the entire museum staff. We're talking about hundreds and hundreds of people this week on Wednesday. He's also pledging resources, hiring people to go through the exhibits and to determine where they belong and whether they should be on display. We're live on the Upper West Side. Andrew Siff, News 4 New York.
All right, Andrew, thank you. Now to a story the I-Team broke about regular New Yorkers making hundreds of thousands.
I can't believe they would do that. There's no way they can do that to the Museum of Natural History. That's my home.
Let's call it a vigilante ticket blitz. Now, lawmakers say they're taking action. News 4's Chris Gloria also broke the stories live at City Hall where new legislation was announced. Chris.
Well, David, today bar, restaurant, and other small business owners streamed onto the city.